In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 apps to get paid doing nothing, and one of them is going to pay you via PayPal. Not all of the three, but these are the simple apps you are going to get paid without doing anything. So now let's hop on to the first app over here that I want to share with you is the livecoin.ai. Okay, so basically it's a mobile app. You are going to get paid for just for walking. For example, whenever you are going for a morning walk or for any kind of steps, this app is going to pay you. Whenever you are going to start walking, this app will start mining. Okay, so this app will start mining the live coin, and as soon as your live coin will be mined, later on you can convert them into all different kind of payment methods like Apple iPhone X. For example, there is some kind of like for example, you are going to get 10,000 live coin. After that, you can exchange for iPhone X example. Okay, and you can also exchange them for PayPal card, for Amazon gift card, etc, etc. And you can download this on any app like App Store or on Google Play as well. And you can see that these are the price rewards over here. You can see, okay, whatever you think that which is going to be suited you, you can actually select that one. Okay, so the next one that I want to share with you is turn daily weakness. It's like as I already told you, they are going to calculate as per your work. Okay, so the next thing that I want to share with you, the next app that I want to share with you is the mobileexpression.com. So basically it's a mobile app that you need to download, and it is going to pay you $5 every single month. You are going to download it. Okay, so because the app is going to collect your data, it is not going to collect any personal information. It is going to collect the data on what are you searching on Google. Okay, what are you searching on Google, so that it is going to provide you the relevant apps. The relevant ads. Okay, for example, you're going to search on the Google like I want t-shirt. Okay, a t-shirt. Okay, so then it is going to reveal everywhere the ads regarding the t-shirt. You might have also seen like when you just search on the Google for t-shirt, you visit a website and then you start seeing the same t-shirt over and over again. So that is because of the mobile expression and also because of the Google. So that is why they are going to pay you, because they are going to sell the data to the advertisers. So the next step that and basically this website is going to also pay you by like $5 for the first when you are going to download it for first time, $5. Okay, and thereafter it will be paying you $5 every single month. So now the next app I want to share with you is the smart panel. Okay, so basically this app is simply like you are going to get paid just for like for example, you are going to join this, you are going to kind of like install this app, and you will be get paid every single month, $5 per month, I think. Okay, so let's see over here. You can see over here, yeah, for the first month you are going to get like monthly, you are also going to get the monthly reward as well. So first of all, you are going to get a sign up bonus of $5. Okay, and then you will be paid the $5 every single month, and then after every 3 months you are going to get bonus over here. So you can see $5 bonus, $10 bonus, $10, $10. You will keep on getting bonuses and $5 payment every single month. So it's like, it's also kind of the smart panel is again the same app of like the mobile expression. They are going to collect your data and they're going to sell it to advertisers so that they can better serve you. They will get the higher ROI, and they are going to pay some amount to the smart panel, and out of which they are going to pay some amount to us. So this is how you are going to just download these apps, and they will be just to keep running in your background. Yeah, they will suck a little bit battery, etc., but they are not going to kind of like anything huge battery consumption. Okay, so you can simply download this app. If you want to make money without doing anything, then you can simply download this and make a little bit money, not full-time income. But if you want to make full-time income, then click the first link in the description, and there I will give you 100% free training on how to make your first money online. Okay, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel for more make money online videos, because there is a lot more content coming and I am uploading the videos every single day. So I will see you in the next video now.